Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is CEX is hiring freshers and the job role for that is trainee or software engineer, that is associate software engineer, that too for mobile app. So we shall see the job details. So the company name it is CEX Careers, and the education. So the qualification needed for the job role. So any graduates are eligible to apply for the job role, and the stream. So any streams are eligible, and the batch eligible is for 2019, 2020 or 2021. And the experience needed for the job role is for 0 to 2 years of experience, and the salary of the CTC it is 2.5 lakhs per annum to 5.0 lakhs per annum, so that too based on the skills. And the next thing is the job location, it is Mumbai. So these are the job details. So the next thing is the skills that is needed for the job role. So as they are hiring for the associate software engineer, that too for mobile app, so you should have knowledge of various mobile technologies and also familiarity with the Android SDK, that is software development kit, or iOS SDK, and end-to-end development flow understanding of either iOS or Android. So which means you need to have knowledge of Android, and for that you need to be good in any one of the programming language. It can be C#, Java, C++, C, or Objective-C or the Swift. And apart from that, it is good to have knowledge of REST, SOAP, JSON, as well as XML web services, and also familiarity with the SQLite is needed, and also that is familiarity with full SDLC, that is software development lifecycle. So in general you need to have knowledge of various mobile technologies, so good to have knowledge of various REST, SOAP, as well as web services, and also the knowledge of programming language such as Java, whichever. And coming to the application link, the first thing is you need to fill some details. So first thing is you need to fill your name, then email address, and then after that you need to choose availability, whether you are available full-time or part-time for the job, and also you can choose the preferred hours, either morning, that is AM, or PM, or any is preferred. You can choose any one of that. And then after that you need to attach your resume. So before that, make sure that you update your resume with the skills they have mentioned, and also you need to prepare a cover letter for that and attach. So after filling everything, you can agree the terms and then submit the application. So the application link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.